Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing timeline in just 4 minutes. By the way, you can also access this free template from the link in the description below, and it's an edit table template that you can use for your own purposes, and you can also customize it. So let's begin. First, open up a blank slide, go to background and change the background fill to black color. Next, you're gonna insert a rounded cornered rectangle. Remove its outline, go to Format Shape and Shadows and click on Soft Edges. Give it some soft edges. Close the format background, duplicate it, put it 5 times just below it, group it all, and move the second one into the slide. Next, what we're gonna do is select each of the individual rectangle and then give it a gradient of 2 colors. Here you go. So let's choose this one from here. And let's insert a text box right here and enter your dates or years. Now select this text box and change their font to Arial Black and give them line spacing. Put them right in the middle of your slide. Next, you're gonna select these two text box and remove the fill and give them outline. And for this top one, let's change this fill to the same as the rectangles. We're gonna go to images and insert for images that we are gonna put on our rectangles. Let's just flip them horizontally. Here you go. Let's decrease this laptop size. Here you go. Now let's insert our content text. Customize your text and put it in each of your is separate rectangle. Just duplicate each of the text, and here you go. Select all of them and group them. Duplicate your slide and you have to remove its fill and give it an outline and select the second one, give it a fill. We're gonna move the second of the third of the rectangle upwards while holding shift. Repeat the process and your template will be complete. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. So this is gonna be our last slide. Here you go. So select all of your slides, give them MORPH transition from the transitions tab. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and content like these.